Hi guys, what's up? I just woke up. I have been traveling so much. You guys know it already. Also, but yeah, my voice is gone. A little bit gone. It's almost back now. So, हमने literally एक महीने में इतना travel कर लिया है. We went to Goa first. Goa नहीं, sorry, चिकमंगलुरु जिसका आपका अपने vlog देखा. Then we went to Goa, उसका भी vlog देखा. Then we came back, went to अलीबाग, उसका vlog आया नहीं. बिग्स के चैनल पे हो. और फिर we came back and within like few days we had to go to Bangalore again. So yeah, and before going Bangalore, I had like cold here only, and then I went there and वहाँ पे तो भाई साहब weather is so good, but it's not good for us because I felt sick there. Like my voice was completely gone. So I was struggling to even talk normally, and yeah, it's been a while since I did a home vlog, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's I think somewhere around 11:30, yeah. So let's go ahead and get started with the day and make some coffee first. Also guys, I got this coffee powder from Chikmagaluru and I feel like it's not that strong, so I add in a lot. But cold coffee because I'm also getting my wisdom tooth, so it feels good a little to have things cold. And yeah, I'm gonna now watch YouTube videos and just some vlogs and like shorts and everything, and then just go ahead and shower, and then I'll see you guys after shower. So guys, I just showered and it's time to do my skincare now, and as you can see, I have traveled a lot, so my skin has become all tanned and dull, and winter season is here, so I want my dull and dry skin to look glowing and radiant, and the only thing that's gonna help me at this point is vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerhouse ingredient in skincare and it's known for its numerous benefits. It has antioxidants which helps prevent dark spot and dullness. It brightens and evens a skin tone. It helps repair sun damage, which I have. It has anti-inflammatory properties which can soothe irritated skin. It contributes to healthy skin barrier and can help retain skin's moisture. Incorporating vitamin C in your skincare routine through serums, moisturizers, or any other product can make your skin appear more healthier and youthful looking. And this is why I have started using the Garnier's Vitamin C 3-step skincare routine to make my skin look more radiant and glowing. Let me show you the 3-step skincare routine. Alright, let's kick things off with the first step, that's cleansing. The Garnier Vitamin C face wash is a perfect start to your routine. It is infused with vitamin C, which is known for its brightening properties. You just have to apply a small amount on your damp skin and then just gently massage and then rinse thoroughly. This face wash not only cleanses your skin but also helps to remove dirt, dust, sebum and other impurities and adds that instant boost of natural glow. It has citrusy fragrance, it's like a burst of freshness on your face and it's suitable for all skin types. Now that our skin is prepped and clean, it's time for step 2, that's Garnier Vitamin C Serum. This little powerhouse is enriched with 30 times amount of vitamin C of Garnier's Bright Complete Face Cream, giving your skin the ultimate boost it needs. It has a combination of vitamin C, niacinamide and salicylic acid. It's very easy to apply this. Just take some serum on the palms and dab it all over your face and neck with gentle tapping. Apply it evenly on your face and don't forget your neck. This serum is available in 4 different sizes, the 7 ml which is for 129, 15 ml which is for 249, the 30 ml one which is for 619 and the 50 ml which is for 875. The lightweight and non-oily formula penetrates your skin, giving your skin that instant glow and fades away dark spots, and your skin is ready for the next step. Last but certainly not the least, we have got the Garnier's Vitamin C UV Cream. This is the final touch that seals in all the goodness from the previous steps. It helps to achieve even skin tone and protection against skin tanning, dark spots and sunburns. Just apply the cream evenly all over your face and neck and massage it in using gentle circular motions. The moisturizer not only hydrates but also enhances your skin's natural radiance. And here's a tip, use it daily for that consistent radiant glow. And there you have it, the Garnier Vitamin C 3-step skincare routine for that glowing and bright skin. The Garnier Vitamin C has made the skincare so easy, especially between the hustle and bustle of this winter season with the workload. I can already feel the difference within just few days of using it. I'll put the link to purchase in the description box below, so please don't forget to check it out. Now that our skincare is done, I think we'll just go ahead and have food. I'm hungry. Let's go. So normally मेरी cook आती है afternoon में, and आज ना maid आ रही है ना cook आ रही है, so it's like the perfect day for me to shoot. But anyway, we're gonna make this shin ramen. It's the veg version, just in case if you're wondering. This is like my go-to ramen now because it's like soupy and nice, and it's perfect for winters if you're wondering. One, I cannot tell you how amazing this is smelling right now, and it exactly is what my throat needed, to be honest. I'm gonna watch some Modern Family. I've been watching Modern Family non-stop lately. Let me know what are you currently obsessed with. I love Modern Family and also Spy X. It's anime, Spy X Family. So family related कर रही हूँ मैं. Lol dudes. Cheers guys, I'm gonna have this on my own. It's hot. चलो टीवी देखते हैं. ठीक है, फिर मिलती हूँ मैं आपको ये खत्म करके. Now actually gonna go ahead and unpack my bag. This is my laundry bag. I'm gonna put all the clothes mostly because I've worn most of them. So this will go in the wash and this will go inside the wardrobe, which I'll do in right about 5 minutes. I'm not gonna show you guys that because my wardrobe is a complete mess right now. Finally guys, someone has woken up. I was not living alone in this house, now you realize.
I'm not well, no.
Okay, anyway, so he just woke up and now we are gonna go for our evening walk. We mostly do this like 4 times a week or so, है ना?
8 times a week.
8?
Yeah.
8 times a week. Wow. Anyway, so नीचे walk पे जाएंगे and then I'll come back and have dinner and then do the works. मैं बहुत chill की after the whole unpacking. He still needs to unpack. I did it. So my bag is empty now. Anyway, so हाँ चलो जाते हैं. हमारी दिवाली अभी तक एंड नहीं हुई है गाइस. हमारे पास अभी तक ये है और वो उसका हालत देखो तो वो दरवाजे में अटक अटक के निकल चुका है पूरा. और हमारी दिवाली अभी भी चल रही है. दूसरे घरों में भी है. Oh, we are not the only one. Let's go. guys, itne flowers are there. I'm not sure if you guys can see. There's no like good lighting here. But see this yellow. Then there's this also. So pretty, pretty. यार मेरे को दिन में आना चाहिए तुम्हें दिखाने के लिए. And this then full flower covered. So pretty. It's looking all spring vibes. So guys, walking is done, workout is done. Yes. Now I'm gonna go live on my other channel because my voice is back. My voice was not well. So मैंने live stream भी नहीं किया वो channel पे कभी. So I'm gonna get back to that channel also, just live stream for fun. थोड़ा 2 घंटा या so. And I'm not hungry. I'm still full from the ramen. It's so weird. And also I've been having water. Like I have like 2 of these bottles in a day. This is like 1500 ml. So 2 bottles of these in a day. So water is also keeping me full a lot. So just because it's Christmas Eve today, I decided I'll just wear this. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow also, and with a red top maybe, hopefully, let's see. But yeah, it's looking cute so far, I think. Hannah, what do you guys think? Comment down below, let me know. I'm ready to stream now. Let's go. So I just ended my live stream and now I'm gonna have... So for dinner, I had like masala puri, that's it. I don't know why I'm not hungry at all. I'm gonna have this. Like, I'm not hungry, but I wanna have this. I won't even finish it fully, I know. This is strawberries and cream. Camera can focus if बहुत bright दिख रहा है, but it's so good. I love it. It's like one of my favorite thing to have in winters. And yeah, so that's gonna be my lunch. Also, wow, my skin is glowing so much. Can you guys see that? I love the glow that I have. So good. This is Amul cream with strawberries in it and sugar, obviously. I think I'm gonna go like a no sugar diet in Jan. December नहीं बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि कल Christmas है, and I'm gonna do my ritual and order like plum cake and everything. So yeah, Christmas में तो obviously I'm gonna have sweets. I don't care. But Jan से I think I'm gonna cut down sugar for at least like 15 days or so. Let's see. Like मैं additional sugar किसी में नहीं डालूंगी. That is what I mean. Like मैं coffee में भी sugar डालती हूँ. मैंने literally ये अपने शादी के टाइम पे किया था and I lost so much weight. I had cut down on dairy and sugar both. So I had lost a lot of weight back then. So yeah, let's see if that happens. Also मैंने खाना काफ़ी कम कर दिया अभी. Like you must have noticed. Maybe I'll do another video where I'll just show myself like what I eat in a day basically, so you guys can see what I eat and judge me on that maybe, because I know that's gonna come a lot. So anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here itself. I really hope you enjoyed it. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. If कुछ interesting हुआ तो नहीं होगा vlog end. But अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ तो फिर यहाँ पे ही vlog over हो गया है, because it's already 12:30. By the way, just in case if you're wondering, yes, I sleep by 2, not before that. So yeah, the dark circles are there. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog now. Bye.